Okay, here's our fourth example. So we have circle P and it has a radius of 6, and we are asked to find the length of AB. Because this segment came from the center right here, and you can imagine it extended here, and it was perpendicular, we know that this segment will be congruent to that segment. And we also know that this whole central angle right here is going to be 120 degrees. And because we have two congruent triangles by side, angle, side, then these little angles here will be the same, if you can imagine that. So I want you to focus on this bottom triangle I'm going to draw. Pretend like that is a good, nice right angle. Clearly doesn't look that way. And that is right here, this triangle. We know this is 6. We knew this whole angle was 120, so this angle has to be 60. We know the hypotenuse, so this angle would have to be 30. And this is super sloppy, sorry. So if this is, the hypotenuse is 6, the short leg is 3, and the long leg would be 3 root 3. Okay, so using your 30, 60, 90, hypotenuse to short leg, it's half, and then from short leg to long leg, it's that number times the square root of 3. If we're trying to find AB, and we know this is 3 root 3, this would also be 3 root 3 because this is perpendicular, so these segments are congruent. So AB is going to be 2 of those, which obviously would be 6 root 3. Okay, does that make sense? Any questions? Hope it went well.